If you've been looking for data entry jobs that you can do from home, this video is for you. Welcome back to Remote Life with Jack. I've got real companies that are hiring right now, legit opportunities, and some don't require a ton of experience. So let's get into these data entry roles that you can apply to today. Our first role is coming from Adat Health as a intake specialist. So, what you will do in this role is process patient referrals, review medical records, verify insurance, and communicate with patients, doctors, and referral sources. The key task for this position is to enter data accurately, track documentation, ensure compliance with HIPAA, and help patients understand costs and services. This is a limited phone opportunity. So if you want that experience, you're very detail oriented and you like data entry and helping patients behind the scenes, this is definitely a great role. The requirements for this position, it is a high school diploma, 1 year experience with healthcare, billing, call center, or admin. It is a entry level position. So if this is something that you are interested in, the intake specialist will be listed in the description to apply. Our next role is coming from Ascision as a Utilization Management Coordinator. This is a full-time remote position, Monday through Friday. The salary starts at $23 per hour and ends at $31 per hour, which all depends on your experience and your location. So, what you will do in this role, you will manage office tasks, scheduling, reports, emails, and internal support operations. You will also data track, have policy updates, handle questions, organizing files, and supporting healthcare workflows. What they would like to see in this position is someone who has a high school diploma, 1 year experience in the healthcare call center, authorization preferred. This is a administrative healthcare support environment role, which is less phones and more coordination and organization. What they would like to see is someone who also has those strong communication and organization skills. This is a great position because it's a great higher paying remote role if you have that healthcare admin or call center experience and want something more behind the scenes. So the Utilization Management Coordinator position, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role is coming from Sedgwick as a Utilization Review Coordinator. This is a full-time remote position as well. So what you would do in this role, you will assign and manage utilization review cases. You will verify information and support the clinical team. The key task for this position is data entry, reviewing medical, insurance information, handling email, faxes, and light phone questions. What they would like to see is someone who has a high school diploma, 2 years of admin experience, whether it's medical insurance. What they also would like to see is someone who has a strong attention to detail, strong organization skills, basic medical terminology, and computer skills. This is a great position because it has great benefits, PTO, 401k match, and tuition reimbursement. This is also a great entry level to mid level healthcare admin role with the mix of data entry and light phone work. So, if this is something that you are interested in or you have that experience, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next position is coming from Shoreco as a Enrollment Specialist 1. This position is more behind the scenes, managing health insurance enrollments from start to finish. They focus heavily on accuracy, data entry, and tracking. So, what you would do in this role is submit and track insurance enrollments, whether that's coming from a new hire, open enrollment, plan changes, terminations. You will verify and audit enrollment accuracy, work directly with insurance carriers to resolve issues, as well as monitor deadlines to ensure timely process. This role, they are looking for someone with a high school diploma, 1 to 3 years in insurance enrollment or a similar background. You must have strong attention to detail and strong Excel skills. This role, it is a higher paying remote role, mostly non-phone, and is great for healthcare insurance experience. They do have strong growth and benefits in the enrollment field, and this is perfect for a detail-oriented person who wants a stable, behind-the-scenes healthcare role. This position is 100% remote. It does start at $25 per hour. That all depends on your experience and your location, and it is anticipated to start the week of May the 18th. So, if this is something that you are interested in and you have that enrollment insurance experience, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role is coming from AmeriHealth as a provider enrollment specialist. This position is available within the United States, fully remote, so no matter where you are, you can apply. So, what you'll do in this role is maintain and update provider records in the database. You'll resolve claim issues, which is invalid, missing provider information. You'll handle provider questions, panel transfers, and escalations. You'll also track reports, logs, and ensure SLA deadlines are met. You will also communicate updates with providers, members, and internal teams. What they would like to see is someone who has a high school diploma, 1 year healthcare experience, claim processing or provider enrollment knowledge, strong attention to detail and organization, and they would like for you to have those Microsoft Office skills like Excel, Outlook, etc. This is a perfect position for someone who is detail oriented, who has that healthcare admin claims experience, and those who like that back end, non phone heavy work. This is a solid remote healthcare role with growth potential, and it's great if you want stability and less phone heavy work. So, if this is something that you are interested in and you have that provider enrollment specialist claims background experience, the link will be in the description to apply. Our last role is coming from Humana as a consumer service operation professional too. This position, it is available in 29 locations. So if you are listed in either of these 29 locations and this is something that you are interested in, the link will be in the description to apply. This is a fully remote position full time. So what you will do in this role is you will review and analyze claims for accuracy. You will identify issues, find the root cause, support audits, testing, and process improvements. You will act as a claims expert on the team. So, the requirements for this position, you must be a U.S. citizen, 4 years of claim experience, 3 years in managed care. They want you to have that medical terminology background and 2 years of customer service. So, the perks for this position is 100% remote, equipment is provided, potential internet stipend, which is great, and career growth in the healthcare. For this position, you must pass a background security clearance and must have a dedicated workspace. This is great for someone who has that claims processing background looking for stable remote healthcare with solid pay. This is a full-time 40 hours a week, and this role is paying 58 to 68,000 per year, which again depends on your location and your experience, and it is eligible for a bonus incentive plan, which is great as well. So if this is something that you are interested in, this link will be in the description to apply. All right, folks, that's it for the data entry and non-phone remote job leads. These are some of the best roles to get your foot in the door right now. So make sure you're applying consistently, tailoring your resume, and staying ready because these roles can fill fast. Drop data in the comments if you want more job leads like this, and don't forget to save this post so you can come back and apply later. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.